Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to discuss what I believe to be the best mountain bike phone mount, which is a LifeProof bike and bar mount. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group for like-minded people who are into bike restorations and bike repairs, and you're welcome to join that group with the help of the link in the description below. The bike mount from LifeProof is called the bike and bar mount with quick mount. It consists of a strong encased magnet on a ball joint, and the encasement can be screwed tight onto the ball joint with the help of a plastic nut. The ball joint is attached to a handlebar mount, which in turn allows it to be attached to bar-like objects with a diameter ranging from 20.3 up to 32.5 millimeters. And the bike mount comes with rubber strips you can place into the mounting ring to decrease the diameter. The bike and bar mount also comes with a quick mount adapter. And the quick mount adapter is a piece of steel attached to nylon with 3M adhesive tape on it. And you can put this adapter on any flat surface of something you want to attach to the bike mount, in the case of your smartphone being the logical choice, of course, and you can buy loose adapters to be able to swap out devices. The steel of the adapter fits snugly onto the encased magnet of the bike mount, and when snapped in place, it's impossible to loosen it. You loosen the device by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and to prevent your device from accidentally being released, the side of the bike mount has a small lever that prevents it from rotating. So why do I feel the LifeProof bike and bar mount is the best mountain bike phone mount I can buy? Well, the first iteration of the bike mount was case specific, meaning the clamp system of the iPhone 4 LifeProof bike mount was meant only for the iPhone 4 LifeProof case, and the ability of the quick mount adapter to attach to any flat surface means the bike mount has become device agnostic. Easy to mount, easy to use, the LifeProof bike mount requires no technical knowledge whatsoever and is extremely user-friendly. The tried and true mount to attach it to either a handlebar or a stem ensures you can place it the way you like. I've used mine for over a year and never had any problems with it. The mechanism is simple and straightforward, which means there are hardly any parts that can wear out, if at all. And that's my topic for the best mountain bike phone mount. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to consider joining the Facebook group. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the group or in the comments below. And I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Bye for now.